Good morning, my dear students. Aina nakhoida ngasi takadorisi mechanical properties of fluids. Fluids haraga akoina khangna doisi kaino habada fluids haraga the substance which can flow chain bagamba potsing kudamoina harabada noi liquids as well as gas makoi ani makse pulapna fluids haina khangnai aduna makoi gi properties singi maramdani akoina tawduisi ihan hana liquids ki maramda tawsi aduna liquids ki maramda tawbadu yengsi to sisi aina huzi haigabda haira to a fluid is a substance that can flow aduna flow tawbangamba kudamoina nakoi gas su any container amda thamba matamda 1 liter of gas container amda hapada ma yai khara hena chawa container amda mu ngasai 1 liter of gas to hapchan ganda di gas to loina sandokani ngasai ge achawa container du su matamda gas sing du makoi do they behave just like flowing ma akoi bada loina mak masado flow tawraga sandoaga ko aduga akoina container fill up tawribani aduna gas as well as liquid sing sibo akoina fluid ani kawi the fluid sing sidi makoi gi definite shape laite makoi shape ti moi lairuba mpham dugi matung ina hongi khudamoina nangna ising si glass amda hapadi glass tugi mawong lawi chafu amda hape chafu dugi mawong lawi similarly gas so nangna container du spherical shape oiba container ngi manung da hapadi ma gas tu spherical oigani adagi cuboid amada hapagana hapsalagana gas sing du cuboid ki nature oi shape oigani sumain tawdana a fluid has no definite shape of its own mamasagi shape laite aduna since fluid changes their shape rapidly therefore their mechanical behavior cannot be described in the same manner as in case of solid solid tadi magi behavior du makhana makha ko nainaraga tokhibado haibadi na koi elasticity gi maramda yeng koina nainagi adugi nainabado adumaina amakhak mawong amakhak solid ta leibadongna di fluid study lairaroeba aduna cannot be described in the same manner as in case of solid harimni in this case we will study about the behavior both liquid and gas in static lengdabagi lengdana thamba liquid ki maram lengdana leiba gas ki maram da nainagani as well as dynamic that is in motion isingna chelakpa matamgi loinana gas sisu akoina thamambadagi free oina makoi propagate tawba sanduhanba adugi maramda akoina nainagani in nature da aduna hujik fluid study makhanani gi thawong nainagani amana lengdana leiba fluids ki maramda ma nainagani madubo koina static habadi at rest haina kawani hydrostatic kawi madui mamingna aduga atopa mana in motion da leiba dynamic oiba sigi maramda tamgani liquid study madubu hydrodynamics haina kawi phare huji haurasi nakoi mangda seisda aina sida liquids ki horamdai sida sida figure ama nakoi do utli ko si figure sigi maramda liquids ki maramda hana tawsi yengo liquid si nakoina thengnabada se sigi figure sida utliba amana canonical oiba body am laire dagi sida picture ba sida tube ki mawong leiba sungba samnaba body am da nangna ising hapkanda kari ui mokoi singdu the liquids are at same level am da loin laiminayaba ko Aduna, from this observation, we know that liquids sex its level, liquid magi level thiganeba. Nakoina ising chawba matamda su kedowe. Ising chawrakanda koina khangi si kaigumba mafam amana lui karigumba amana nangna chatpa kanda lubado thengnai dei khara amadana ising du khara thieli. Chumna koina ising chawdaba matamda di chatliba lambel kaika se wangba loi mana boi ningi ko. Adubu ising chawrakanda di karama mafamna kutli karama mafamna tongi habase koina khangi. Ana maduma laire aina sida hainingi bana liquids habase masidi always makoi level thiganeba. Liquid always seek seek its level magi level thigani masibo koina hydrostatics paradox haina kawe batu noina mangda silaire aduna si liquid ki ihan hanba property when it is at rest akoina naina doisi rest ki maramdani ko adudi kaigumba liquid ama lairadi liquid se lairagadi mangonda pressure ki maramda koi naina batare pressure kamai tawi liquid study pressure se kamda wi habase amung naina rasi ko pressure habasi nakoina define to matamda force per unit area na define to it is defined as the ratio of force per unit area aduna force newton ni per unit area hardi newton per meter square ore adu samjalaga pascal ju kawi aduna masi pressure habase scalar quantity amani magi SI unit na ai hojik tu sei sadokre newton per meter square or sometimes Pascal, Blaise Pascal gi maming lorga Pascal ene kawi ko PA na sin denote we magi dimensional formula di amuk sai sida force ki di ml t to the power minus 2 madai da makha da area gi L square na yela di kaidora ml to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2 sumaina dimensional formula laire aduga magi limiting condition dadi p is equal to limiting value of delta f by delta a when delta a tends to 0 sumai logani kaigum kanda area do yam pikna lowradi ko pressure si akoina ngasai SI unit to on ba dimension dagi ole dimensional formula laire ado pressure se kaigum kanda akoina in terms of height of the mercury column the only ko aduna pressure is also measured in terms of height of the mercury column in a barometer the only ana nakoina na wai thaina tamgre nungsit ki ona ba khulai maming kai kawi haraga barometer kawi en tamgre ko madai da koina khangib do kaino normal pressure se kya ga manai normal pressure is 760 mm of mercury hai ni ko se Hg se hydrogyram mai do ko ana 760 mm of mercury si laire ado normal pressure se kai waida samudra gi hek sea level da akoina on ma matam da pressure se kya lege wo 760 mm of mercury si lai the 1 mm of mercury si bo khoin kai ko ge bo torsili gi maming lor kanda 1 tor ene ko we mm of 1 mm of mercury bu tor ama ene ko we torsili eba nu padri logoni ko and 1 tor is equal to kai ga manage the 1.333 pascal ga manai aduga mu atopa mana atopa unit amana mu 10 to the power 5 pascal is equal to 1 bar simasuna koina khangjan bayai ko heng paikada angka hotna na bedong tani hari sing jetu si smine to dana koina pressure se on bayai pressure on bagi khulai sabdure noi na wai class 8 9 adai da tamgre barometer gi ko aduna ai amona hydre adagi amuk pressure ki difference on na wa khulai am lei madubuna khoin kai ko ge da manometer ko ito noi na mang do utle pressure ki difference on anaba ko ara manometer si kamai tauge bada tu si noi na mangda leire YouTube ki device amani device da kaidoba nangna saisida measure taugadoriba poto adudayuda akoina fit taurakanda magi pressure ki difference to on doini sumba sibuna mo manometer na kaidaweba pressure ki difference on na ho khulai ni manometer ki masak se silai re ko aduna hujik yengasi karigumba pot amana nakoina ising da lupsanba matamda kaidawe kaigoma pot amana koina ising da lupsale khudam oina nang pukri da chatle pukri da nang na sanabun am paira chatle sanabun du ising da lupsanba da kari phawe nang na smai sanabun du kanna namba matamda nangonda force ama mathakta inkhalakpa phawe ko na taxi ama paire ang khalo nang na ising da smai na namjanba da taxi do da nangonda inkhalakpa force am phawe ba ko madu every pot to da normal oine ek tawi madu akoina feel tawbodo madu normal oine inkhalai bado hore na khoida kariyena kaugada ge madu buoyant force aina kaugani hauji yengsi when an object is submerged lupsanba in a fluid at rest ta leiba liquid ama natraga hoi gas ta sutum yai adubu generally akhoi liquid ki matang da ne hoji khanai siti ko at rest the fluid exerts a force on its surface magi surface ta force ama nang phaugani which is always normal to the object surface object to gi surface ta normal oino ek to weba dui force to khudam oina tu noina mangda se cylindrical body am leire ising manungda lupsalle si lupsan ganda force masi sida mangonda makharomda inkhalakpai force adagi sida mathaklomda indharakpai force sideway da su ko mangonda ek to force mayam am lei adu mayam do loin khanadana ko hoji akoina na mana hairibasigi matungina object amana ising da bulupsaladi magi surface da normal oina force na ek tawi to aduna sidai ek tawi som side si loin tawi ado side ki ek tridi kai gino habada som da tawbadu som da ek tawbadu som ga balance tawnai sidai se ek tawbadu som ga balance tawnai aduna ek tabai wani ko aduna chumai tawdana kaigumba object amana ising da lupsalabadi magi fluid tuna mangonda force ama exert tawi which is always normal to the object surface simana koi khangjalo adagi di pressure gi maramda koina khangba khara yengsi the pressure at any point within the liquid is independent of the shape of the liquid surface as well as area of the liquid surface kaigoma pot amana ising manungda lupsallaga mangonda legadaba pressure se at any point liquid sigi any point legadaba pressure se within the liquid is independent makha pondeba of the shape of the liquid surface as well as area of the liquid surface liquid tugi area da makha poloi adagi shape da makha poloi aduga karida di makha pole kaigoma pot ama ising da lupsanba matamda karida pressure sina makha ponge bu ma kayam yamna liquid sigi surface tagi kayam chatharage jodi depend tawgani ko madui khudam di ai na khoida mohaige ngo no khoina pukri da irupa matamda ko athien ba ising da di na khoi ka staude yam luba pukri gi manung da irupa matamda na khoi gi nasada khara wa ba phawe madu kai gi no bu pressure in liquid always increases as you go downward and downward nangna makha sum cha tharing gai di pressure se sum hengal eba liquids ki di surface tagi hek kumdaringai pressure se hengat kani masibo koina hauze angka gi matengna yengsi ko variation of pressure with depth I hauze kai haigra as you go downward and downward inside a liquid the pressure increases se haigra ko adoni yengsi number 1 the liquid pressure is the same at all point at the same horizontal level same depth example hydrostatics paradox pressure gi yam ngakpa mana nangna level amta da le di pressure se loi manani si level se da to sida hydrostatics paradox su si level se da leiba pressure se loi manani ko level amta da leiba gai number 2 the pressure at a point within the liquid is ai nga sai hai gre pressure sidi sum kumtharingai heniana sida yengo pressure se sigi mathak thangba mamai sida leiba pressure se p1 ne na lorasi sigi sei sida pikhalaiba pressure se na p2 ne khalasi sigi body sida akak naba matam si manungda ek tawriba force kaya laigebu p2 sima leire ngakler poro oh hoi adu baba p2 adagi p1 na mathakta leire sida p2 da laiba sigi body sina sigi mafam sida mana leiriba se kaigino bu p2 na pithara iba pikhala iba pressure se masi p1 plus mg ga mana baine mana si mafam se laidoise ana at any point ta laigadaba pressure si kaya na pige bu p equals to pa plus rho gh sina pieba ado si mahota p si mahota p2 si mahota nang p haiba yare si sina pa hairo ko yekpada sida kitang koina yenghodre sina pa hairo sina p hairo kaim kaide koina nungai na ba na p1 p2 in to boni sigi mohota nangna p2 equals to p1 plus m haiba sidi kaina p m haiba sidi mass equals to density into height volume into density na p aduna adugi mayam du punjala kanda ko sigi value se phangini p equals to p1 plus rho gh silera si value se the excess pressure here na labor pressure p minus pa at a depth s is called gauge pressure at that point too si makhai jena p ne haro sina pa ne na khalo do di p minus pa se kai ga mana gebu gauge pressure ina ko we at that point the number 3 pressure due to the weight of liquid increases with depth ai nga sai chin na hai gre nangna sum kumdharingai pressure di sum hengalakani aduga number 4 liquids may be treated as incompressible liquid sing je compress to ya de pixelan ba ya de na koina treat tawani moije aina phanayamna pressure pixelu ya de na logani hence their density may be assumed to be constant throughout aduna maram oraga koina magi density se mafam khudimukta manai ena lowne taidi hojik relative density haibam la relative density is the kaina pigebu density of the substance ko divided by density of water at 4 degrees C si oigani china relative density ne sumain tawdana se the relative density gi ibase kitang ibada koina type tawbo khotpagi defect ta ibase mafam khara soire aina chinna haisni relative density is equal to density of the substance divided by density of water at 4 degrees C sini hojik next law la law du gi maming Pascal's law Pascal level no paduna Blaise Pascal na hodo me aduna mai maming law kanda Pascal's law kore ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯕꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝꯅ ꯃꯈꯨꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯨꯠꯇꯠꯂꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯁꯇꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯣ ꯄꯦꯆꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯄꯤꯆꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯐꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯥꯞꯁꯜꯂꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯎꯏ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯕ ꯃꯈꯨꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯥꯞꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏ From this observation we know that ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ ꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯠꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ it is spread out in all direction 마이ꯀꯩ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯨ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯕꯣꯟꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯕ ꯃꯈꯨꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯁꯇꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯇꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ perpendicular to the wall of the container wall da perpendicular oina aduna Pascal's law se sida noina mangda aina amuka yengo sida silere sida container am leire container sigi side opening mari pale opening mari se piston mari fit tawre aduga piston mari si मागी एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन जी A1 सिगिना A2 A3 A4 सुमाइने एक तौरे फिट तौरे आइना सी A1 सिदा एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन A1 सिदा आइना फोर्स F1 है बम पीरे बतो सी फोर्स से पीरे अदोई तारदे नंग करी उरगे बु F1 है बम फोर्स से नंग न सिदा पिसन बमतमदा A2 dana let us suppose F2 eva force am phange A3 da F3 eva phange A4 da F4 eva force am phange ba nangna sei da force am pi gi baduna sei da force phange ba mai magi respective opening sing da aduga haiba force sing du amuk F1 da A1 na yen bada equals to F2 da A2 na yen baga equals to F3 da A3 na yen baga equals to F4 da F4 na yen baga manara meba khoina experiments lagi which is equal to pressure P say force per unit area di pressure nina this is equal to P pressure ga manai aduna di Pascal's ki si experiments se khoina kai khange da pressure is transmitted undiminished pressure se kaigumba closed container amda nangna force piradi pressure will be transmitted undiminished in all direction maikai khudimakta pressure do loina manana transmit tawani adi sandokani ba maduni sise aduna Pascal's law gi saisida whenever external pressure is applied on any part of a fluid contained in a vessel it is transmitted undiminished and equally in all direction aduna si maikai khudimakta sandoi si Pascal's law ni ado sometimes it is also known as principle of transmission of fluid pressure and so web se aduna se ayeng pakhada Pascal's law kaino adagi Pascal's law gi application sing EU hangbaya application do yeng se hojik application je makhan ahum mari lei si manungda hydraulic lift si maramda haige se noina mangda se yeba photo se yeba se masimakti kitang sumdaba soiba kanone kaiginoida seisida liquid se freely flow tawi ado kitang masi kitang di sida valve kumba pangadabani sigi diagram se kitang di wat le ko anyway I explain tawgengu hydraulic lift haiba se na khoina hojikanda car champhamda yam akhoi swai gi dinate ko ado kaigum kanda car champamda thaina gita sinai kamai tore si piston amni magi area of cross section si A1 ni saisida container si manungda liquid hape se nangna force F1 hai bam pale aduna maram oidana songi car sina lairibasi press plunger kawi sigi se na somda force F1 pan bana maram oidana somda F2 oiba force ama phangi aduna maram oidana seisina nangna up and down motion of the piston sigi piston sina up and down motion torokanda water si somna kanda chatlandoini si markta valve kara hapkadabadu moina ye isa watle ko aduna akoina apamba up and down motion toroga akoina apamba desired oiba position bau si thangat kadoini sigi press plunger se adudi yengse hodi hayeng hydraulic leaf na kramai work tawe na hangadi in hydraulic leaf two pistons are separated by a space filled with liquids aduga a piston of small cross section A1 to say is used to exert a force F1 directly on the liquid sumaina laire the pressure mana piriba force na maram oidana pido pressure di P equals to F1 by A1 learning is transmitted throughout the liquid to the larger cylinder attached to the larger piston of area A2 learning upward force to F2 to the kaigamana tare the pressure into area A2 is produced already, hence the piston A2 is capable of supporting a large weight, say a car or a truck. So my pressure P placed on the platform. Adona F2 equals to PA2 A aduga nang P to D si value absalo. And thus platform can be moved up and down. So my hydraulic lift se walked away. Next time hydraulic brake. Hydraulic brake ti si nakoina hujiki matamda four wheeler natraga scooter gumbada koina gari thawba matamda khongna mi sin khala kanda brake ta heng netliko adudaiduda sijinaribadu karmaina work tawribano haibadu Pascal's ki law si sijinaragani madugi diagram do sida utke noida tu silare sida nangi scooter oro NB gi oro sanet na ba khongi pedal ama laiko haiba pedal sina sida engine oil to brake oil se yauri se je piston nam pali sigi piston je nang no ren gari se sum thaura kanda gari sing khale di nang na sida pedal sida chatlaw nesal leba si nesal di piston je injal ani manongda doi di pressure am pire higher pressure je se chakra kanda sigi wheel sida paliba brake shoe sigi brake shoe se sida yauriba piston je inthokrani sumaina brake shoe je intho di se cheliba gari sida friction ama pirani brake shoe duna friction piramni na motion to wai sang handarani aduna gari do taptharakani ba sumai tawdana koina Pascal's ki law se sijinayeba hojigeng asiko hydraulic brake in automobile also work on Pascal's law hayeng kai the work the way the Pascal's law dani when we apply a little force hayeng explain tawraga sisini ko apply a little force on the pedal with our foot the master piston move inside the master cylinder and the pressure causes is transmitted through the brake oil to act on a piston of larger area to see piston ji sai sidanga sai pireba force na piston ani se somda inthoknarani ko si inthoadi si brake shoe sing china wheel se tak ani adoita di friction thoadi gari to taptharani. A large force acts on the piston and is pushed down, expanding the brake shoes against the brake lining. So I have explained already. In this way, a small force on the pedal produces a large retarding force on the wheel. Wheel do da retarding force am pigani sumai tawdana sini si Pascal's ke law panba adumba application sinaba ani duni hayang hydraulic brake karida pali Pascal's law na magi principle work tawridu Pascal's law ni kamain tawna tawribano explain taw haire aine taibase se khumani next taw ji yengasi buoyancy maram dai haige na khoina ai nga sai jo haigre pukhri da nangna ising taxi ama puraga pukhri da thamba matamda taxi do mathakda ising mathakda tawi nangna sai taxi do mamai do satlong laitharaga ising manungda lupsalaga ising ji pik thana nang taxi do hape aduga mu yeng kanda sai gi taxi do hape pik thale nang ising du gi mathakda thangal kanda taxi do yam lummi amuk taxi do ising manungdra amuk thammo sing du pik thana yarasu ising manungda di nang ising mathakta lumbado adu yogide ising manungda lumbadi ko ana haiba experiments ege khoina kari khange bu kaiguma pot ama ising da lupsallabadi magi masagi weight to khara loss tawi khara mangi which is equal to haiba mana mangi ba weight to di kaiga mana gebu the weight of water ising saruk displaced by the body dana inthok iba ising saruk kudam waina nang nungdum mam pure ising manungda thadare nungdum manu du nang na ising manungda paibada khara dum yangi ko adu yang ibdu kayam yang khatpage haibabu nungdum dugo chawba manaba isingi saruk ama mana akoibada kanthoeba inthoeba maduna piba upthrust to aduiduni nangna mathakromda flow tawdorido aduga nangna yang khaliba loss tawriba weight to kaya noibu the amount of liquid which is displaced by the stone dugo chawba manaba isingi saruk ki weight to aduiduneba nangondagi loss tawdoise aduna kaidora when a body is completely or partially immersed in a fluid it displaces the fluid to nangna isingda kaigoma pot am lupsaladi khara completely natraga partially lupsan ganda mana ising khara mangondagi inthueba ko displace tawedi mafam du honghaleba the displaced fluid exerts an upward force on the body. This tendency of the displaced fluid to exert an upward force on the body immersed in the liquid is called buoyancy. Aduna ay nga sa haigre kay nga pot ama ising dabulub saladi ising dugi manung dagi upward force amana mangonda body dure act tawi madugi property dugo khone kai kauge bo buoyancy kawi aduga nangonda inkhalaiba force bana buoyant force kaune ko aduna hay buoyancy kaino are the tendency of the displaced fluid to exert an upward force on the body immersed in it is called buoyancy sibana buoyancy kawi aduga the upward force is called buoyant force or upthrust which is equal to the apparent loss in weight sini ay nga sa haigre sa buoyant force ki value dudi kaya ga managada ge bu mana lupsan ba matamda ma muk chawba isingi portion amakak mana displace tawgi hariba isingi portion dugi weight to ga manane adaidi next tawji Archimedes principle tawrasi Archimedes si nakoina hana takrabani Greek ki philosopher amni mana magi ningthaugi luhuf ki ko gold do maduidu pure oibra natraga loina marakta impure yaubra ba du thijanna bai damakta hotna bada hariba principle se puthokibani adar mai maming lor kanda Archimedes principle ene kawi karino ai nga sai haigre kaiguma pot ama ising manungda lupsalladi magi weight to khara mangi weight to kaya ka mane ba mama sa muk chawba isingi displace taugiba liquid tugi weight tuga manani haise haigi aduga masi kadom the act tawi center of gravity the act tawi ana hojik principle do ai parage ngo if a body is fully or partially immersed in a fluid it experiences an upward upthrust equal to the weight of the fluid displaced and this upthrust acts through the center of gravity of the displaced fluid. Aduna sigi inkhaliba force kai the act of magi center of gravity the act away. Center of gravity si sigi pot sigi oina dinang saja sigi lines da sumdring na sing tharo aduga magi sigi tangkai sigi center size da center of gravity tagani because pot si uniform oiba maram na aduna hariba upthrust se center of gravity the act away. Aduna cylindrical body ama ising manung da lupsale aduga magi upward force na makha da inkhale ngasai ju akoina haibdo upward force makha gi duna say yengo the upward force on the bottom of the body is more than the downward force on its toe mathakta gi akoina piriba force go makha da pikhalaiba force ga anisi makha gi na chawi the fluid exert a resultant upward force or buoyant force on the body equal to P2 minus P1 whole into A siga manai ado sigi value si ko P2 minus aina mamangi da haigibdo P2A is equal to siga kana mana doiba P1 plus mgh siga mana doini aduna P2 minus P1 si kaya mana tare ang m do logthokhraba matungda se rho gha si oidoiba where ha is the volume of the solid and the rho ha is the weight of an equivalent volume of the fluid sini aduna the upward force exerted is equal to weight of the displaced fluid aduna koina mathak rom the inkhaliba force to madu kana ga manariba is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid ma samung chawwa displaced tawgiba ising gi weight to aduga managane upward force to ga se kaiguma pot amana tawba ina tawba natraga lupa madu kari gi makha pon ge yengsi se body ama se ising manung da lupsale si body si hek lupsan ma tamna mangonda force ahum na act awi kari force no se yi mathak lom da inkhat pa gi force buoyant force ma adagi weight of the body duna makharom the act away buoyant force na mathak the act away aduga pressure on the upper face da sida act away aduna khoina khangre P2 equals to P1 plus mg siga manai adu body amana float tawge haitaradi man tawge haitaradi sigi upthrust force na chawrakanda body do tawdoineba and if the density of the immersed object is more than that of the fluid ki density dagi liquid fluid sigi density dagi body density na chawraba adoi tardi pot to loop kaneba the object will sink as the weight of the body is more than the upward thrust aduga kaiguma density of the object is less than that of the fluid it floats tawgani bas mai tawdana ana hauji kaiguma pot ama tawba natraga lupa habase kana depend tawge hababu body dugi density da depend tawne ba chini adagi hauji kaiguma pot ama ising da kayam lupsingi habadu koi calculate tawba yai calculation of volume submerged ising manung da kayam yamna pot tugi sarukto lupsallaga laige ado yengsi. Ado itardi suppose the total volume of the object is V. Total volume na V oraba aduga a part Vp of it is submerged in the fluid. Fluid sida si saruk se lupsala laiba saruk se Vp si oirasi. Ado the upthrust is equal to weight of the displaced fluid. Ado itaradi inkhalakado force to weight of the displaced fluid is kai tare ado di rho g Vp si orane ko. Rho G Vp sina to sigi mota sindoi ne maram di si volume ne silere which must be equal to the weight of the body do weight to mana do ni sigi weight of the displaced fluid siga si weight of the body ga mana ni weight of the body na kai tare rho of the solid rho have the density have ni ko rho s have the solid ki density G Vs siga manani sina rho L adi density of the liquid G into Vp silaire ani si manalo aduna akoina kai phange rho solid by rho liquid equals to Vp by Vs siga manani. The apparent weight of the floating body is 0. Aduna sumain tauriba body sigi apparent weight is 0 ne sine akoina sigi mayam sidagi hojik phawda akoina khangri si kai khangra liquid si magi property mayam am laigre liquid amana gi manungda akoina body am lupsaladi pressure si makha thangba mamaiduna pressure si more oigani mathakina pressure is less oigani, and as you go downward and downward pressure will be higher and higher in case of liquid si khangre adudagi di mathang isingda kaigumba body am tauradi tauriba saruk to adugi value du puthokpa yai calculation of volume submerged du puthokpa yai sumain tawdana koina sigi mayam sigi angka hotpa yam yare si bauda ngasigi loisale